Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the behavior of a dipole in uniform magnetic field. That is, we will find the time period of oscillation. In uniform magnetic field. So why time period? We will prove here that this is simple harmonic motion. This undergoes simple harmonic motion, and then we'll find the time period for that. Now for that we can draw a diagram. For uniform magnetic field, we know that these are parallel magnetic field lines. Let's consider a magnetic dipole. Magnetic dipole can be considered as a magnetic compass needle which has two terminals, that is north and south. So if we mark this line as the line which gives the direction of the magnetic moment, so we can say that the angle which it makes with the magnetic field is theta, right? The magnetic field is uniform. This is the direction of the magnetic moment for this magnetic compass needle, which is similar to the electric dipole moment case. We will consider an equivalence of the formulas in electricity and magnetism, so that way you know that magnetic moment is an equivalent quantity in magnetic field to the electric dipole moment in electric field. Now in this case we know what is the torque formula. Torque is m cross b. If we write it in this form, I can write it like this, and if I want to write the magnitude only, I can write mb sine theta. Birotational motion, which you studied in class 11th, we know that the formula for torque is I alpha, right? And when this magnetic torque acts on it, this rotates it this way, but due to inertia, this restoring torque also acts on it, which tries to bring it back to the original position. So that means this deflecting torque and the restoring torque are equal and opposite. You can write this as restoring torque and this as deflecting torque, right? So deflecting and restoring are opposite. So I can write that I can write here tau restoring is equal to tau deflecting, but opposite, right? So I can write a minus sign over here just to show that these are opposite. So these are opposite. Negative sign shows this, right? So from here I can modify this formula. I can write this as alpha can be written as d square theta upon dt square. If you remember, let's recall, since omega is d theta by dt and alpha is d omega by dt, so this can be written as d by dt of d theta by dt, right? And this can be written as d square theta upon dt square. So I have simply replaced this value. So from here I am putting the values. So restoring is I d square theta upon dt square is equal to minus mb sine theta. Now for small angles, Sine theta can be considered nearly equal to theta only, right? So we are putting this condition that if sine theta is equal to theta, so I can write I d square theta upon dt square is equal to minus mb into theta, right? This I can write I d square theta upon dt square is equal to minus mb theta upon I. Now let's compare it. This is what? This is angular acceleration actually, and I can compare it with the condition of SHM, that is A is equal to minus omega square y. This was the condition for SHM. So from here you can compare it, right? So you know this is linear displacement, this is linear acceleration, right? Similarly here we have this angular acceleration, this is angular acceleration, and this is angular displacement. So we can comparing this equation 3 and 4, comparing 3 and 4. For angular acceleration we have linear acceleration, for angular displacement we have linear displacement. So what is there in place of omega square? I have this mb upon I. So I can write it, omega is under root of mb upon I, right? And this can be written as 2 pi upon t is equal to under root mb upon I. Therefore, time period is equal to 2 pi under root of I upon mb. So this is the time period. Now there is to and fro motion, as I told you, restoring and deflecting and restoring torques opposite. So there will be to and fro motion, and where the acceleration is proportional to alpha is proportional to negative of theta, negative of angular displacement. Therefore SHM of magnetic dipole is taking place in uniform external magnetic field. So this is the formula for the time period of the magnetic dipole in uniform magnetic field. I hope you understood. That's all for now. Have a nice day.